Yo, hey, what's on YouTube? This is Edo Unboxing Official. Welcome to another episode, man. Well, today's episode, I'm gonna unbox this a brand new hair trimmer from BRD Clip. This hair trimmer right here. Okay, I read the specs and it's written it's a brushless motor. That's why I bought it. I haven't tried it if maybe it's a real brushless motor or not, but it got power, I have to say. So stay tuned, man. All right. Yo, yeah, we are. So it's a very small hair trimmer, I have to say, and you can charge it with USB-C. Okay, and the blade doesn't have a branding, as you can see. No branding, so nothing like that. But it's a thin blade. I mean, this steel blade, it's really thin. I don't know if maybe you can see it good. It's really thin. I'm not talking about the cutter blade. The cutter blade should be a ceramic cutter blade. Yeah, I haven't zero gap it or something like that. It comes like this, and it's really sharp. I guess I need to take it a little bit back, you know, because for me it's too sharp, something like that. And there's two screws here. I guess you can zero gap it, so I'm gonna try it out later. Maybe you can or you cannot zero gap it. Babyliss blade cannot fit. I guess TPOB softy blade will fit. I'm not that sure, but I guess so, you know. It's not bulky, it's a little bit bulky, okay, you know. And it doesn't have grooves at the back. As you can see, no grooves, nothing like that. And it's called Pansy brushless. Okay. And here, BRDCLIP Pro. When I bought it, I was somehow skeptical if maybe it's good or not, so I didn't buy it with the original box. So I bought just like this. I bought it just like this, you know, because I wasn't that sure. And inside the box comes with a USB-C charging. Let's see the manual. So I'm gonna check it out. Okay. Charging time, it's written charging time 4 hours. 4 good hours. Operating time 210 minutes. Okay. Maybe you can read it. Charging time 4 hours. That's a lot. And 5 watts. Okay. Comes with some guide combs. So you can see. Yeah, the usual stuffs. And surprisingly, comes with a charging dock. But this charging dock, I don't know. I tried it, it's charging, but I don't know if maybe you can hear it. But still, it's charging. And the back, so it's a USB-C. And here with 2 pins. Yeah, okay, I almost forgot. It got 2 speeds. 4 speed